Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at Infinikey Sanctuary Rebirth, a cherry profile keycap set. I got Sanctuary Rebirth from thekey.company for $205 altogether. This kit was designed by Jebra, initiated by Lou and Light, with some extra help from Mirza and Loudsonic. The packaging looks really good. The box is nice, has good design. You'll see here that it actually says novelties ready. We're going to get back to that. There are no novelties included in the core kit. Their goal in the design for this project was to, in their words, bring back the despair once acknowledged by the mechanical keyboard community. I'm sure they're joking. I think their goal was just to bring this really great idea to life, get it in the hands of fans everywhere. This originally ran as a group buy back in October 2019. There are a few extras available for a short time at thekey.company. Unfortunately, the add-on kit's already sold out at the time of filming, but core and blackout extras are still available. There's also the mostly standard looking bread, black on red, set available, which is a similar red PBT base with the black reverse die sub. Legends are a more standard font though than the gothic markings of Sanctuary Rebirth. The core kit, which costs $120 now, has 194 keys and is compatible with all standard keyboard layouts, including a variety of various size modifiers. The core kit also includes scooped homing row keys if you want to switch your F, J, and numpad 5 bumps out. I was honestly confused for about 10 seconds by the scoop V. I couldn't figure out which keyboard layout had V as a homing button, before I realized the numpad is all in Roman numerals. However, unlike the Geek Hack group by page image of the new base kit and the developer's project page image of the new mega base kit, the core kit does not include any novelty keys, as they were moved to the add-on kit in production. Also, it looks like they lost the smaller red enters and ascend and descend keys entirely. The picture on thekey.company matches the contents exactly. The last point of interest is that the numpad enter key is the equal sign instead of the carriage return icon or enter text. I don't remember ever seeing it done this way before, although I'm sure it has been. Let me know down below if you can think of any other keycap set with the equal icon in the numpad enter spot. The whole kit's made from a reverse die sub, also known as all over or 5-side die sub PBT. So the main keycap is the rich blood red Pantone 7597C color with black die sub. The legends are done in Exocet typeface, which is the font used in the Diablo franchise. It has that iconic O with a cross in it. This is actually sort of a round 2, as there was another Sanctuary keycap set that ran as a group buy back in 2013, but had a lot smaller variety of keys for compatibility. And to be fair, keycap sets in 2013 weren't as expansive as they can be now. The add-on kit has 96 keys, which includes compatibility options for Macintosh, Dvorak, and Colmac keyboard formats. It also includes the only 8 novelty keys that this set comes with. I'm a little disappointed that you have to purchase the add-on kit for $60 to get the novelty keys. I don't really like how they moved it from the core kit to the add-on for the US version. The image on Z Frontier shows a core kit much closer to the new mega base kit on Jebra's project website, but with only one red 1.5U enter key and a black ascend descend keys. If you got the international kit version, let me know if you actually got that red enter and novelties, please. A few of my novelty keys, the portal and the heraldic cube, were not very well centered, and one of my 2U control keys in the core kit had some legend issues on the R, and there were some slight centering issues on my 1U control keys. These are my only real complaints with the centering and legends here, otherwise it's pretty clean. The Blackout Kit, which costs $25 now, has 38 keys and can replace that rich red row 1 if you're into a more subtle uniform look. They're all row 1 profile, so if you're planning on using the 1, 2, 3, 4, or sword key for macro buttons, just be aware that they're all the same height. This set really looks amazing. The Exoset Legends are crisp and clear, despite being die sub, and the orientation is pretty great. Only a few spacing and alignment issues. If you're looking for a new Keycap set to enjoy Diablo 2 Resurrected next year, don't sleep on this set. I do expect another round in a few years when Diablo 4 comes out, so if you missed this one, don't give up hope. So in summary, the Sanctuary Rebirth is a really good cherry profile keycap set. The pros being it has great tie-ins to one of the most iconic action RPGs of all time, with a very moody and gothic feel. It'd be great for a Diablo or even a Doom keyboard build. And the cons are the color's ever so slightly orange. And I did not like how the novelty keys weren't available in the core kit. If you enjoyed this video, give us a subscribe and like. As a new channel, it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.